Welcome to CamPro.
Benefits of YouTube or social media channels. Global mobile phone subscriptions are projected to reach approximately 8.8 billion by the end of 2025, exceeding the total human population due to multi-device. Unique mobile users are expected to reach 5.78 billion by October 2025, representing over 70% of the world's population, with around 7.4 billion smartphones in active use. Top countries by mobile user count. The global mobile landscape is heavily driven by large populations in Asia. China. 1.81 billion mobile users, exceeding its population due to multiple devices. India. 1.18 billion wireless subscribers as of late 2025. United States. 411 million mobile users. Indonesia. 352 million mobile users. Pakistan. 197 million mobile users. Key benefits of YouTube or social media channels. Social media's benefits include connecting people globally, offering instant communication, fostering communities around shared interests, providing platforms for education, business marketing, and career growth, and empowering social activism and self-expression, all while delivering real-time news and entertainment. It helps maintain relationships, provides support networks, and offers cost-effective ways for businesses to reach audiences, though mindful use is needed to navigate downsides like misinformation. For individuals. Connection and community. Stay in touch with friends and family globally, find support groups, and connect with like-minded people. Learning and information. Access free educational content, tutorials, and real-time news updates. Self-expression and creativity. A canvas for sharing talents, ideas, art, and building personal identity. Career building, network, find jobs, and build a professional brand. Entertainment and stress relief. Access entertainment and find distractions or comfort. Key benefits of YouTube or social media channels. For businesses and brands. Marketing, cost-effective advertising, brand awareness, and reaching diverse audiences. Customer engagement, direct, real-time interaction, feedback collection, and improved customer service. Market research, gain insights into consumer preferences and trends. Sales, drive traffic to websites and generate leads. For society. Social change, platform for activism, raising awareness, and mobilizing for causes, e.g. Black Lives Matter. Civic engagement, facilitates fundraising, social awareness campaigns, and giving a voice to issues. Innovation, encourages sharing of new ideas and cultural exchange. Benefits of YouTube channels. A YouTube channel offers significant benefits, including generating passive income through ads and sponsorships, building authority in a specific niche, and establishing a long-term, searchable library of content. It facilitates brand growth by increasing traffic, fosters community engagement, and enables creators to develop valuable skills like video production. Monetization and income. Once eligibility requirements are met, e.g. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, channels can earn money through AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate links, and channel memberships. Building brand and authority. Consistently posting, such as 1 or 2 videos per week, helps establish a person or business as an expert in their field. Long-term exposure. Unlike social media posts that disappear, YouTube videos have a long shelf life, serving as evergreen content that can be discovered for years. Increased traffic and visibility. As the world's second-largest search engine, YouTube helps drive traffic to websites, blogs, or other platforms. Audience connection. It is an effective platform for building a loyal community and engaging with viewers through comments, fostering trust. Personal and professional development. Creating content helps improve confidence, communication skills, and technical abilities like video editing and graphic design. Documenting and networking. The channel serves as a digital library to document personal or professional journeys. It also provides networking opportunities to connect with other creators or brands. Repurposing content. Long-form videos can easily be cut into shorter content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, extending reach across platforms. Benefits of starting a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel provides you with several advantages, such as allowing you to start earning money. The biggest benefit of becoming a YouTuber is that you can start earning money. Your income can come from YouTube ads, super chats during live streams, affiliate links, brand deals and sponsorships, and even selling your merchandise. You are your boss. One of the best things about working on YouTube is that you're not doing a regular job. There's no boss above you. This doesn't mean that people who work a 9-to-5 job are any less valuable. In a regular job, the tasks are handed to you, but on YouTube, you have to create your ideas and put in all the work to make them happen. You need to be highly disciplined and consistent. And if you become lazy, all your time and effort can be wasted. Fame and popularity. There was a time when people only took selfies with cricketers and movie stars. But now, as a YouTuber, you can enjoy the same kind of celebrity status. Becoming a YouTuber can bring you fame and popularity. Even if just one of your videos goes viral, it can get you noticed by thousands of people. You'll start getting recognized, and that feeling is amazing. Creative freedom. YouTube gives you complete creative freedom. No one will hand you a strict script telling you what you can or can't say. You can write your script or have someone else write it for you, and then make any necessary changes. You're free to express yourself however you want, which brings a true sense of creative freedom, and that's something that makes you happy. Passive income. Another cool thing about doing YouTube is passive income. Once your video is live, ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links can generate earnings whenever people watch your content without you having to work on it again and again. You're not tied to a fixed salary or working hours. If your channel grows, you can make money even when you're sleeping, traveling. Benefits of starting a YouTube channel. Building a community. By doing YouTube, you build a community. You have an audience that knows you. If you ever need help, you can reach out to them. In times of natural disasters, creators come together for live streams to raise charity funds. You also get the chance to share any important message you want with your viewers. Free products and travel. Brands often send YouTubers free products to try and review. This means you get to test cool gadgets, clothes, or other items without spending your own money. Successful YouTubers sometimes get invited to events, trips, or sponsored vacations. This lets you explore new places and enjoy experiences while creating content. Improved learning. Doing YouTube helps you learn and grow in so many ways. To create good videos, you often need to research new topics, which expands your knowledge. It also pushes you to explore fresh ideas and try different ways of presenting content, boosting your creativity. Plus, as you make more videos, you get better at skills like editing, speaking, and marketing, all of which help you grow personally and professionally. Career opportunities. Creating content on YouTube can unlock a world of new opportunities. As your channel gains popularity, brands might reach out for partnerships, and exciting collaboration chances can come your way. On top of that, YouTube can lead to invites for events, conferences, or speaking engagements, opening doors you never thought possible when you first started. Impact on others. One of the biggest benefits of doing YouTube is the chance to make a positive impact on others. Your videos can inspire, educate, or entertain people and even help them solve problems. You get to share your experiences and ideas, which can motivate others to take action or see things differently. Plus, building a supportive community around your channel means you're creating a space where people feel connected and encouraged. How to make a YouTube channel, step-by-step guide. How to start a YouTube channel. Understanding YouTube and the creative journey. YouTube is more than just a video sharing medium, it caters to an audience eager for diverse content experiences. As a content creator, your YouTube channel is a social media platform where you can express yourself and connect with viewers from across the globe. First, you need to build a YouTube channel that reflects your vision and delivers high-quality videos consistently. Step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a Google account. As YouTube is a part of Google, you first need to create a Google account or use an existing one to set up your channel. It will ask for basic information, your name, birthday, email address, etc. After, you can set up your YouTube account to represent your brand and persona. Create a YouTube channel. Next, tap your profile picture at the top right corner of your channel page and select Create Channel. Here, you'll name your channel and set up some other basic info. Customize your YouTube channel. Further refine your homepage by organizing content into playlists, adding channel keywords for search engine optimization, SEO, and setting up an intro channel trailer to welcome visitors. For example, if you wanted to create a channel focused on keeping houseplants healthy, you might choose keywords like houseplants, plant care, indoor gardening, and plant mom, to name a few. Consistency is critical. Align your channel art elements, such as logos and color schemes, to create a cohesive and eye-catching channel identity. Congrats! You've created your own YouTube channel. Now, it's time to plan. Step 2. Plan your content. Identify your target audience. Your audience shapes the type of content you create, your brand's voice, and even the time and day you upload videos. Use analytics tools, likes, Google Trends, and SEMrush, to gain valuable insights into your viewer demographics, interests, and watching behaviors. Brainstorm your video ideas. Generate a list of video concepts that resonate with your target audience and desired niche. Look for gaps in the latest and most popular YouTube content and see how you can provide a unique perspective or add value to current conversations. Regardless, it's a good idea to come up with a list of ideas to start with so you don't have to feel pressure later on. Keep that list going, so you can always have a ready-to-go bank of ideas to pull from, making it easier to maintain a consistent schedule. Create a content schedule for your YouTube channel. Consistency is paramount in YouTube's algorithm. Channels that regularly release content are more likely to be served as recommended content for people who may not already be subscribed to your channel. Plus, it helps keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Plan your video releases around your schedule to realistically maintain a healthy cadence of new content, whether one new video a week or twice a month. Step 3. Record your videos. Equipment and setup essentials. While you don't need the latest high-end video equipment to start, investing in fundamental gear such as a good camera, microphone, and lighting can significantly improve the quality of your videos. First, you can use your phone as your camera when possible. Most modern smartphones have very good video cameras, sometimes up to 4K resolution or better. You'll likely want a tripod for times when you want to have a steady, non-moving shot, but for more casual videos such as YouTube Shorts, you can hold it right in your hand. As your channel grows and your needs become clearer, you can always upgrade your gear later. But don't let your equipment be the barrier that stops you from creating. Effective video recording. Learn about the rule of thirds and the importance of good framing and eye contact with your camera or audience. Also, practice your delivery style and avoid overusing fillers, such as M and R. Camtasia makes it easy to record YouTube content directly through the video editor. Audio and lighting considerations. Audio quality is often more important than video quality. Ensure you record in a quiet space and use a dedicated microphone. Lighting can alter the entire mood of your video, so natural light or softbox lights can create a professional look. Screen recording with fast recording or any app. Screen recording is a must for software demonstration or tutorial content. Fast Screen Recorder offers a robust screen recording feature. You can select an area of your screen and start recording, along with your system audio and microphone input. With screen recording under your belt, the next step is to edit. Step 6. Optimizing your YouTube presence. Comments and subscribers. YouTube is a community, so engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to subscribe. Consistent engagement not only strengthens your community but also increases viewer retention. YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics provides insights into your video performance and overall channel performance. This dashboard shows key metrics, such as watch time, viewer demographics, and engagement rates. Regularly looking at your analytics can help optimize your video strategies for better reach and monetization. Remember, YouTube SEO can help you propel your views and increase your YouTube search rankings. Monetization of your channel. Beyond traditional ad revenue, people often wonder how to make money on YouTube. Luckily, several other options include super chats and super stickers. When a viewer buys a super chat or super sticker so their profile picture can stay on top of the live chat feed during live streaming, channel memberships, and incorporating branded content. There's also the YouTube Partner Program, which grants access to additional money-making features once you meet the eligibility criteria. In the past few years, the addition of YouTube Shorts has introduced a new avenue for YouTube creators to earn through these short-form videos, similar to what you'd see on your TikTok or Instagram feed. 4. Monetization path. To earn money directly from YouTube, you must join the YouTube Partner Program, which typically requires Standard Tier, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Shorts Tier, 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Subscribe, like, share. My channel. At CamPro. Subscribe, like, share. My channel. At CamPro. Thanks for watching. Further info about URS social media channel or CAD Cam programming. PLMSGON CamPro.
Don't wait for the right time. Make it right by showing up.